Hi everyone.
Welcome back. We are now actually a couple of weeks on from the last video I posted. I've been busy and trying to get in the habit of filming, and it's actually harder than I thought, so fair play to the guys who post all the time, regular high quality videos. Today is Saturday. It's a pretty rough kind of day, pretty stormy, so came to work and thought we'd do a couple of little bits. Something that came in today was my friend looking for some risers for his motorbike handlebars. Here is one of the finished parts, machined from aluminium, and I thought I would show you some of the little steps that went into the making of it. So enjoy. Okay, so here we have the CAD model of the part, just some kind of little features. Obviously the half circle for the clamp, and holes top and bottom, etc, etc. So we have our first setup. Turn around, here we go. So we come in, face the top, do a spot drill right the way through, and you'll see what that's for later. Clear it off, clear out the pocket, tidy up that in there to size, and then this is just a little experiment where I wanted to try doing a fake knurl effect with using a ball nose end mill. So we cut one way and then we cut the other way. So we can then, before we run that on the compute, do this. And this isn't actual speed, this is of course sped up, because it's just it's to give me an idea of making sure it's not going to do anything unexpected. This is all in Fusion 360 as well. So this process takes a little time, so that, and you can see because it's using a flat mill, it's cutting little steps, but that's okay for what we're doing. Here we go. Now we're going to start with the knurling effect. And the other direction. Okay, I'm finished from the other part. So this hole here, the reason we have that is so that we can tell it where the other side is when we flip it over, because now that we've machined these faces and taken everything to size, we need to base our next set of dimensions from that. So on the second side, that's actually picking up on the center line of this hole, which those smaller ones are concentric with that, and we're going to pick up off this face. And then we come in this way and basically just do the same. And we have our top holes. Let's see. That's just a case of taking it down to size, spot drill so it doesn't wander, and the tap drill size for the M8 tap that's going to be running there. Now we're just doing that by hand. The bottom holes are the same, just slightly different. So that gets sent to the machine over 4 programs, and if you want an idea of what the programs look like, same as that. Waiting. My computer's really slow, I'm afraid. Really slow. Here we go. And we have G-code. So this is just for the end there. So we have facing off, the spot drill, the actual tap drill, and then finished program, and that's us. So right, now to the machining. Okay, so here we have the original part. Put that down. Gold anodized aluminium, a broken bolt as kind of standard, but just a little short, you can see, but you wanted an extra 25mm of rise, so quite a difference. Okay, so here we have the finished parts assembled onto the top clamp. This part was the original one, and the replacement will follow when we've got time. It's 7 o'clock at night now, so we're in the evening, so probably time I get home. But yeah, ta-da! Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little sneak peek into some of the work that goes into making one of these. I know I didn't film all of the stages, but the tops were much the same, and either side was much the same. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.